In this video, we'll show you how to get gold notes on Instagram. Let's begin. So once you've opened up Instagram, you are going to go to the top right corner, then select the messenger icon. Now on the left side of the screen, just above messages, it's going to say your notes. So you're going to select your profile icon. Now in order to get the gold notes, you have to include these words. You could either use gold, goat, medal, victory, or you can use the gold emoji or the medal emoji. After using any of those words or any of those emojis, you are going to get the gold notes. Once you're done, you are going to select share. Please bear in mind that this feature of having gold notes does not work with everybody. And it is also dependent on your app version, the type of device that you use, and which region that you live in. So some people might be able to bring in the gold notes while others can't. And there you go.